Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Titus. Now if you're new to this channel, it is a plant channel, so if you are into that content, please do consider subscribing. Now in this video, I'm here to talk to you guys about the best soil propagation mix. Okay, and it's just two simple materials that I use. Okay, so number one, I usually use this peat coir or peat moss, all right? And then the second item that I use is perlite. Okay, so I usually mix those two in together, and usually peat moss is really good because, again, like my previous soil indoor mix, this one is actually quite sterile, and so is a perlite. Okay, so those two are actually really good. Now the peat moss will actually retain a lot of that moisture, and the perlite itself will actually make sure that there's aeration within the soil. Okay, so those two are really good to mix to each other, and there's less likelihood of the root actually rotting if you do try to propagate your plants with these two mixes. So that's pretty much it, guys. All right, so mix those in together and they're pretty much ready to use. Just make sure you put water on it to make sure that it's not too dry. Okay, I hope that you guys have enjoyed that video. If you do, then please click that like button. If you do want to see me make more videos like this, then please click that subscribe button. Otherwise, if you do want to see much more different content than what I'm already producing, please let me know down in the comment below. I will see you guys on the next video. Until then, goodbye and God bless.